Alright, hurry! Hey. Alright, I'm here as fast as I can. I heard. Alright. 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 I hear the fire alarm's going off, yes. Apparently somebody probably tampered with it. I always get reports of that all the time. Alright, let's see. I hear them. Alright, now I know this is a little strange that I'm here right now. Alright, the real firefighter isn't going in. And we're gonna find out why the fire alarm's going off. Yep. Excuse me. Yep, I hear them. I hear them going off. This is the first time I have ever filmed a fire alarm. This is the first time you filmed a fire alarm? Well, let's see what's going on. Here. Don't get so close though. I'm just here to assist. There it is. Oh, my camera can't catch it. Oh, hey, the fire alarms are going off, aren't they? Yeah. At least have one fire alarm outside to show the fire alarms are going off. Oh, come on, you stupid camera. Catch a stroke. What do you think happened? I don't know. This is the first time. What? Just park your bike somewhere where you go. This is the first time I've ever seen a fire alarm go off in real life. No, not really though. I mean, when we were separate, when I was separate, I heard fire alarms. I mean, this is the first time I ever heard a fire alarm. I didn't have to film it. Come on, you stupid thing, pick up the strobe. Alright, let's see if we can carefully leave the bike over there. Alright, let's see. Jeez, what's up with people these days? Let's see if there's actually an emergency in there. Wait, oh, no, wait, that's one for watching as well. You think anybody stopped for that? No. I don't even have a fire truck of my own. No, I just tuck around on your bike all the time. Yeah, that's a perfect thing to have. I don't have a fire truck. No, I don't even have. I'll know some people over there are nice enough to help. At least I have something. Different fire squad. Let's see if it catches the strobe good. Of course, somebody could have tampered with the fire alarm, like I see in these YouTube videos. See fire alarms go up. People pulling the fire alarm just to test it. Don't worry. We're gonna find out what's going on. This is the first time I actually get to film a fire alarm. Oh, here they come. Yeah, they could be checking it out. Who knows? It's not like... Wait. I just heard a bell. I just heard a bell inside. That's definitely a fire bell inside. Ah, jeez. Alright, we're gonna find out the problem. Okay, apparently I can go inside for some reason as well. You just gotta focus at the fire alarm? Yeah. What's this? What are we talking about over here? I mean, in real life, when I was with you right hand, I have heard some fire type alarms going on. I actually heard alarms, not like this one that didn't have strobes. I've heard these types of things, go off in people's houses that sound like fire alarms. I don't see any strobes. I don't see none of that. This is the first time. Yeah. Yep. There's definitely something going on here. Yeah. Well, I bet there's one in there, but I don't think I should go in there. I don't think I should do that. Get down to the fire. Wait, I hear the fire bell. I hear a fire bell. Uh-oh. Well, this thing only has 1 minute to live, so I'm gonna have to stop the video now. I'll probably have to come back with another battery. Because this thing is obviously out. So, yeah. I have to end this video. Just focus on the fire alarm. Play it back up a little bit. Maybe it'll show more like I... Alright, well, I'm gonna stop this video now. I'm probably gonna upload this to YouTube. Oh, here comes the firefighter. I have to stop this video. This battery is like running low. Unless somebody has a spare battery I could borrow, which I probably can't. Alright, so I'm gonna have to stop the video now. Goodbye. Fire alarm says bye-bye too. Yep. Bye-bye. Alright, bye. Yeah. Alright, apparently the fire alarms are going back on again. Jeez. Alright, somebody in here is tampering with the fire alarms. What am I? Alright, who did it? Who pulled the fire alarms? Did somebody just pull some prank or something? How come people are allowed back in the building? Seriously. Let's check over here. Hold it. What do you think you're doing? Is that really the only fire alarm you can see outside? fire alarm. Alright, apparently the fire alarms went off. Apparently the fire alarms just went off. See? Somebody has tampered with them. Alright, I think it's safe now for people to go inside the building. If anybody's in the building. Wait, what is he doing?
Alright, you have to be doing by
Okay. I wonder if there's like a fire in there or anything. I don't sense any smoke or anything. Alright, so the fire alarm just set off. Okay, so the fire alarms are now off. Since it was set off before, it's probably some false alarm. Now get back on your bike. Why? I'm supposed to be going. I don't care where you're supposed to be going. Come on. Come on. Now let's see if we can carefully get home without killing ourselves. They say you shouldn't fight with your camera while holding your camera. Yep, we're pretty much going home. Let's look both ways with caution to the street. Get that camera off me until you get home. Now! You get in the house. I need to talk to you right here in private. Right right hand. I can't believe somebody would set off the fire alarms for a prank. That's a prank, I meant to say. Well, we don't know if it was a prank. Oh, you don't know if it was a prank? Whatever. Also, I know you showed Mr. Grumpy that episode where I was selfish. So you showed him? You know he's gonna hate me! Ugh. Oh, what the? What do you want? Get off of me! I know how you treated them. Who's them? Your employees, Mordecai Rigby, forced them to eat that sandwich. You could have helped them out. It was their sandwich. Yeah, but you could have helped them out. Yeah, is that so? Yeah, that's so. You made them eat that sandwich. Don't get mad at me. Don't give me that face. You're the one. I'm the one that's supposed to get mad at you. Is that so? Yeah, that's so. This doesn't count as a cycle video, by the way. Except, is that so? Yeah. You want to fight? Let's fight. Is that the best you got? Turn that camera off. No, leave it on. Turn it off. Leave it on. He can leave it on. You were a selfish boss. Oh, yeah. Vincent, you. Goodbye. Yeah, goodbye. Well, goodbye, everybody. That was just a fire alarm video, except was to show how Mr. Grumpy reacted, so. Okay. So, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.